Hello, YouTube. Is your girl DJ Queen Elevator Crazy. Um, I was thinking hard. Well, not really hard, but I was thinking about doing something. I know I've already got like maybe 3 to 4 channels that I am running. Um, but I'm thinking about making an exclusive channel, like, uh, behind the scenes of things and maybe vlogging and whatnot. And instead of me talking about random stuff on this channel, I'll upload to there instead and try to keep this channel elevator related more strictly as possible, because I feel like my channel is cluttered of stuff that I really don't want this channel being cluttered of anymore. And there might be more Discord content out there on that channel instead of here, because like I said, I want to keep this channel strictly elevator related. And as you guys know, well, you don't know, but some people do. I'm not going to be streaming for a while. I feel like I've mentally drained myself of streams here on YouTube, because I feel like a lot of people are not interested in streaming anymore and are not interested in my streams anymore. So I think the best bet right now is to stick with videos for this channel, and it's going to be mostly elevator stuff from here on out, and the other one will be vlogging and Discord and whatnot, as I want to, like, you know, I want to clear out the clutter and just get things back in order with this channel and put elevator content out on this channel and random stuff on the separate channel that's gonna be kind of a copy of this channel, but instead of elevators, it'll be the behind the scenes of DJ QEC or whatnot. So I don't know what to call the channel yet. I think it's gonna be DJ QEC Vlogs, so that way I'm not putting random content like crazy on this channel, which, since it's supposed to be an elevator channel. So, anyways, I wanted to make this kind of a short video because I have something else going on soon. So, anyways, hope you guys understand where I'm coming from on this one. Hope to see y'all over on the other channel. Like I said, this channel's gonna still run. Like it's not going anywhere. It's just gonna go back to being strictly elevators. And there won't be much streams from this channel for a while. So, anyways, if you guys want to see me stream, go over to my Twitch, which is DJ Set Girl. Just type it out. It's basically the channel icon is literally this elevator. So, I do mostly gaming streams on there. If you guys are interested. Yeah, there's a little bit of Roblox, but I know some of y'all may not be too crazy about Roblox, but plus side, there is Minecraft, and yeah, there's sometimes gonna be regular streaming, like just casual talks. Um, and I don't show my face on there either, so um, I may show my face on my vlogging channel though. So if you guys want to see my face, once the channel is created, head on over there. I will send some links to people if they want it, so they can find it that way. Once I create the channel, you guys can tell me if you want me to DM you links. So, anyways, with that being said, bye! Elevators, Diesel DC, and DJ sets are awesome.